Pydantic AI's agent establishes the runtime in which an LLM can invoke function tools. And when an agent registers many tools, the prompt payload grows large enough that sending every tool definition up front becomes costly in tokens and latency. The @agent tool plane decorator paired with defer loading equals true addresses exactly this by hiding tools from the model's initial context and letting search-driven discovery bring them in only when needed. The following code creates an agent bound to the Anthropic model, Claude Sonnet 4.6, and registers a single mortgage calculator tool with defer loading equals true, marking it for deferred loading so the model won't see its full definition until a keyword search surfaces it.
From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6. @agent, tool plain defer loading equals true. Def mortgage calculator principal, float rate, float years, int SDR. Calculate monthly mortgage payment for a home loan. Monthly rate equals rate slash 100 slash 12. End payments equals years 12. Payment equals principal monthly rate, 1 plus monthly rate end payments, slash 1 plus monthly rate end payments, 1. Return F dollar payment, 2F slash month.
The mortgage calculator is registered with @agent. Tool plain defer loading equals true, which hides the tool from the model's initial context and lets the auto-injected tool search capability surface it on demand. When an agent has many tools or tool definitions exceed K tokens, deferring the long tail keeps the prompt prefix small and preserves provider prompt caches across discovery rounds. The model finds the tool via native provider search on Anthropic Sonnet 4.5+ and OpenAI GPT-5.4+, or falls back to a local keyword search tool. This trades a discovery round trip for lower initial token cost, which matters when toolsets grow past ~30-50 tools or span distinct domains where only a subset is relevant per request. For hot, frequently used tools, keep them eagerly loaded to avoid the extra latency of the search step. The keyword search relies on consistent naming prefixes like mortgage and descriptive docstrings, so the model can find the right tool efficiently. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI framework, enabling the creation of LLM agents with tool registration and structured output support.
Agent equals agent Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6.
Creates an agent instance bound to the Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.6 model.
@agent, tool plain defer loading equals true. Def mortgage calculator principal, float rate, float years, int SDR. Calculate monthly mortgage payment for a home loan.
Registers a tool function on an agent that takes principal, rate, and years as parameters and returns a string. The defer loading flag is enabled, and the function is documented as calculating monthly mortgage payments.
Monthly rate equals rate slash 100 slash 12.
Divides a rate value by 100 to convert it from a percentage to a decimal, then divides by 12 to get the monthly equivalent, storing the result in monthly rate.
End payments equals years 12.
Computes the number of monthly payments by multiplying years by 12, storing the result in end payments.
Payment equals principal monthly rate, 1 plus monthly rate end payments, slash 1 plus monthly rate end payments, 1.
Computes monthly loan payment by multiplying principal by the amortization factor derived from monthly rate and end payments.
Return F dollar payment, 2F slash month.
Formats the payment value with a $sign and 2 decimal places, appends month, and returns the resulting string. The takeaway is simple. @agent, tool plain defer loading equals true keeps the prompt prefix lean by hiding tools from the model until a search-driven discovery round brings them in. The mortgage calculator example walks through the full pattern, registering a tool with defer loading, then letting the model find it via native provider search or a local keyword fallback when it's actually needed. The trade-off is a discovery round trip versus a smaller initial token payload, which matters when toolsets balloon past 30 or 50 entries across distinct domains. Hot tools stay eagerly loaded to dodge that extra latency, while the long tail gets deferred. Naming prefixes and solid docstrings make the keyword search land the right tool quickly. The math inside mortgage calculator is just the payoff, a standard amortization formula that runs once the model has successfully surfaced the tool it needs.
The plain tool waits in defer loading, holding principle and rate, calculating nothing until years arrive.